unboxing, it looks like we have the tank, we have the sprayer wand, we have the hose where the sprayer wand attaches. It comes with a quick release screwable top that goes on easy, comes off super easy. Comes with the charger, a quick charger, and it comes with the battery, and then of course the plug. It comes with the adjustable tip, and then it comes with a wide pattern, and then it comes with another one that's a little bit more narrow. Comes with a little bit of silicone. Some of the specifications for this model are, it's a 12 volt lithium-ion battery. The capacity of it's a 2 gallon. Its dry weight is 6.5 pounds. The working pressure is between 28 and 30 psi of continuous power because of the battery, with lock pin, so as you're spraying it, you can lock it out. So it comes down, you can lock on the spray. Unlocks the same way. Comes with the 20-inch stainless steel wand, 51-inch rubber hose, adjustable plastic fan nozzle, comfort shoulder strap for carrying purposes to make it easier instead of just holding it in your hand the whole time. And it comes with an extra wide mouth on the top of it so that it's easy to go ahead and put in the chemicals that you're going to be spraying or whatever it is you're putting in there, your water, whatever solutions that you're using it for. When you get the sprayer, you're going to have a huge warning in 2 different places that's telling you to charge the battery before using the unit. When the green light is solid on the charger, you are at 100%. Turn the power switch to the off position when the unit is not being used for more than 10 minutes or longer. For longer battery life, recharge the battery each day after finishing your spraying. This gray nozzle is a 360 plastic tip. They have a yellow nozzle that is a 110 spraying pattern, 110 degrees, and they have a blue nozzle that is a 90-degree spray wand. To install the battery pack, it's very easy. It just simply slides in, you'll hear it click, and it's in place. It's that simple. If you look on the sides of the actual battery pack itself, there are 2 little push tabs that you just push on and it simply slides out. Basically ejects itself out of there for you. Push it in, you hear it click into place, push the little tabs, pops right on out. Okay, super easy. The on and off switch is right here on the back. It's a little toggle switch. On, off. Pretty easy to use. I ordered this sprayer from Pete at GCI Turf Academy using his coupon code of GCI Academy, and it saves $12 off of the shipping. So it's a really good deal. I'll link to it below, how you can get it through Pete. I thank you for watching this unboxing. I will be coming out with a video here in the future of how I calibrate it to myself and it being in use. After that, I will give you a review of what I think of the battery-powered sprayer, because I've only used the handheld sprayers to this point, so I'll let you know what I think of it. All right, some of the I can speak. You like that? All right, you're okay.